As they say, pop tints, and she correctly said the colors go with her. She's quirky and pop, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I guess so. I'm a happy person.
Absolutely. Well, first of all, you've always done things that you believed in and endorsed brands that you truly believe in. Are you also one of those person who uses the brands, the ones that you usually endorse?
I think so, but I endorse more than like 20 brands. So some things I just can't use and some things I can use. But some things, whatever I endorse, I believe in. That's why I don't endorse alcohol and cigarettes and stuff, because I think that, certain things don't need to be encouraged. Everything in moderation is nice.
Fantastic. Kareena, also a little on the fact that when people ask you, with every time you'll have to look more stylish, right? Every year the style is changing. Do you think it's difficult for actresses when too much of media is focused on what they're wearing and, all the faux pas and all the critics?
Yeah, but I don't live my life according to that. I wear things that I want to wear. I wear things that I am comfortable in. I've never really followed the herd, so it doesn't really matter.
Absolutely. I was just talking like last time to Manish, and he told us how he missed you and was really, really asking Puneet to get you for that show. So you were missed. Priyanka was there, Karishma was there.
Yeah, I know, but it's sometimes, I have to work. I'm shooting Puneet's and Satyagraha back to back. So it's difficult to, get out. I don't have time to shoot for my brands also. I've just flown in from Bangalore to walk for Lakme today. So it's very difficult. But of course, I think in spirit, I'm always with Manish, and he's like a brother to me. And I'm sure the show was absolutely spectacular.
It was, absolutely. You spoke about Satyagraha, and that reminded me. Your look there is very de-glam. You're coming back to, again, something that you say I like doing in between the glamorous roles, isn't it?
No, I don't know why everyone's after Satyagraha to be de-glam. I don't know. I think Prakash ji has this reputation that whenever an actress works with him, means mood hoke, no, makeup and come and stand. But I've never really, I anyway don't use too much makeup, but in Satyagraha, I play a journalist from Delhi. She works with a news channel, and I think y'all all are so stylishly dressed. Y'all are in dresses, y'all are in pumps with blazers, and makeup. So I'm going to be exactly like that, and yeah, a pretty journalist.
Oh yeah. Pretty is not going to be difficult to do it because you're one of that. Gori Tere Pyar Mein also sounds very interesting when Manish and Puneet were telling us about it. So tell us a little on that. A lot of curiosity writing there too.
No, I think it's nice because I'm working with Imran after Ek Mein Aur Ek Tu. And Ek Mein Aur Ek Tu was received really well by, the young kids and the boys and girls. And also it was a film, it might not have been a 100 crore film, but it was a film that will be remembered for its performances and for the fact that it was so different. It was not like a typical Bollywood movie. And Imran is special, and I think Gori Tere Pyar Mein will be also even more special. And I'm having a blast with all the young boys.
Absolutely. I think you're becoming younger day by day, isn't it?
Well, I don't know about that, but as long as I'm having fun, that's what's important.
Absolutely. I'm going to end it because obviously the last question would be, we are also very excited about Zoya's movie. Supposedly Hrithik and you are going to come back together. Is it true, first of all? Because we are really excited about that if it's true.
No, it's not true at all. And Zoya and me have been talking forever. Of course, she's one of the only directors I always say I really want to work with. Because apart from just being, I think one of the finest directors we have, but she's also a mad girl, and I love her spirit, and I always want to work with her, and I hope one day we'll work together.
But
nothing right now.
Okay. On that note, any fear when you're walking the ramp? You're a pro at that, but anything that could go wrong or you always pray for in your mind?
No, I just hope that I look good, and but I'm an actor, so I know how to cover my nervousness. But yes, there's always nervousness before you take on the ramp.
She says she's going to cover up her nervousness, but as she is, she's always confident. Thank you so much, Kareena, once again. Rudrani Chatraj with Cam and Paresh, Zoom.